Got the chair lifts. Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Oh, a little shaky here. Oh, now, here now, I'll get the shaking out of it. Oh. Anyways, this is our first time ever coming up to Skylift, Gatlinburg. Anyways, you can see right down here, got some lovely neighbors. Got the big Smokies. Got Tiffany and Sarah Bell straight down there in front of us. Tiff, say hello to the camera. And I think we're stopping. Somebody there done tripped the cord up top. Yeah. Or the bottom. Anyways. It's beautiful. Beautiful view. Ripley's, believe it or not, down there.
People trying to stop.
Yep. Then we got
Big tables.
beautiful. Anyways, hope you enjoyed.